EUSD trading with a single moving average, beginner's guide. Tired of complicated trading strategies? Let's simplify EUSD trading using just one moving average. This strategy is perfect for beginners. We'll use a simple moving average, SMA, to identify potential buy and sell signals. When the EUSD price crosses above the SMA, it's a buy signal. Conversely, when the price crosses below, it's a sell signal. This strategy is easy to understand and implement on your MT5 platform. Remember to adjust the SMA period based on your preferred trading time frame. First, add the moving average indicator to your EUSD chart in MT5. Experiment with different periods, e.g. 20, 50, or 100, to find what works best for you. Set up alerts for price crossing the moving average to catch trading opportunities. Always use proper risk management, including stop-loss orders. Want to automate this strategy? I'm giving away a free MT5 Expert Advisor EA that implements this exact moving average strategy. If you want this EA, just do 3 quick things. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the link in the description and enter your email. I'll send you the EA instantly. Start automating your EUSD trading today.